with the crown. Uy,
D-tanks lang mo una, D-tanks lang. D-tanks pa scout, D-tanks.
OC.
Oo.
Uy, may ano sila?
Oh, sige, sige. Let them.
Save me. Naka-OC T7. Roll.
Wala yan, pre. Kakainin natin yan, pre. Tara, let's go. Move. Move.
Bridge pa rin.
Wag. Okay. Pre, nauna kayo sa clown. Dismount. Food check OC. Walk. My brawlers, walk with them. My brawlers. Walk. Get ready, Tapping Judy sa entrance. Get ready, pre, on the back line. 10C and 3, 2. Ito, pre, ito yung first stop, Sige, brawl nyo muna. Brawl nyo lang.
Healer lang nila.
Sige. Brawl nyo lang. Just brawl.
Healer nila, oh.
May clap kayo, may clap. Pre, get ready in 3, 2, 1. Sa akin. Ito. Pa-brawl. Brawl. Drop your Judy, stay healthy. Pre, lamang tayo dito. Pauna nitong 10C, pre. Yung first stop. Ito, pre, get ready. Ito, backline, pre. It's big. Backline, pre. Ito.
Copy kayo, pre.
Si Ate Ems, hilo na Ate Ems. Judy, tapos may Judy. Stay healthy. Sige, stay healthy. Stay healthy, pre. Healthy pa tayo, pre.
Sige.
Wala na. Agad na.
Sige, healthy pa. Dalagata si Ate Ems. Use your patch, Judy, drop your Judy.
Hello sila, pre.
Pre, ito yung crop po, padilig, pre. Pre, mamamatay na sila.
Drop E.
Pre, drop
Uli.
your E. Pre, ano nangyari? Sige, kaya pa.
Kaya. Kalma lang.
Kaya pa.
Wala ka healer nila.
Focus sa healer. Focus kay Earthlet, pre. No mana. No mana. Nice. Patay na. Clean up. Dropping may Judy, pa-heal. Stay healthy.
Sige lang.
May loot yan. Papatay na itong Halbert. May loot.
Fuck you.
Good job.
Ito
Yung
pa,
outpost, pre.
Bandido, nag-invis ang bandido,
Loot up.
Loot yung sipagin.